Hold on to your hats because Reddy G and I decided our train escapade to Ella deserved its own blockbuster video clip. It was the showstopper of our Sri Lanka adventure. Picture this, 8:30 a.m. in Kandy, the train's grand departure, and by the time the clock struck 3 p.m., we were gracefully rolling into Ella. Blink, and you might have missed the whole thrilling ride. Now, this wasn't your run-of-the-mill train journey, it was a warp-speed joyride. The platform in Kandy was buzzing with tourists, all aboard the excitement train bound for Ella. It was like a global summit of wanderlust warriors, and we were there to swap tales with fellow adventurers. The scenery? Oh, it went from cityscape charm to a full-blown nature spectacle, complete with waterfalls and daring high bridges that slowed our roll for maximum awe. And let's talk about the ultimate thrill, leaning out of the moving train. We were living on the edge, folks, and it was even better than we imagined. The train might be slower than a speeding car, but it was zippier than we ever expected. So, buckle up and join us for the ride of a lifetime, waterfalls, high bridges, and a dash of adrenaline.